What's up, Forex fam? Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you an insane 700% gain I made from tracking insider wallets. I recorded this trade live and I'll be commentating over the recording. All right, let's get started. Alright, so as you guys can see, we are back on the BullX Trading Platform. This is my personal favorite platform for trading cryptocurrencies. It has multiple chains. It has a bunch of different tools. This is probably a cryptocurrency trader's best friend. This is probably the best cryptocurrency trading platform on the market right now. And you guys can get instant access. It's not available to the public, as I know, as of yet. So if you guys want early access to this platform, you can go ahead and use the link below in the description of this video. And using that link, you'll be able to get a percentage discount on the trading fees that the platform offers. So looking at the chart right now, we are trading a coin called Snoofy. And just so you guys know, this recording is sped up 2x, twice as much, just so that so it doesn't take a really long time for me to commentate over this video. We are on the 1 second time frame. That's why the candlesticks are being printed so fast. And one thing that you'll notice is that I'm trying to get in at a market cap anywhere below 250K market cap, just to give the best optimal return. Now, I'm already selling a small percentage of my position because I bought in at around 124K is my average price that I'm in right now. And we are, as you guys can see, we are already at almost 400K market cap. So an exponential return so far. And I'm just going to let this play out and show you guys basically the trade that I took and how I kind of scaled in and scaled out of my position. So the coin is called Snoofy. It is the Reddit dog. It's based off of the social media platform Reddit. And so I actually found this coin because I'm tracking a few different insider wallets. So if you don't know what an insider wallet is, it's basically someone that is on the inside of a lot of these different coins that are being made. Could be potential venture capitalists or people that know what's going on, know that this coin is going to do very well, and so they invest large sums of money and make massive returns. So I've been tracking multiple wallets and I found Snoofy, and the reason why I actually jumped into this coin was because, as you guys can see, the volume on this coin is going absolutely crazy. On the bottom right hand corner, you can see the volume. Over the past 5 minutes, there's been almost $500,000 in volume being traded on this coin. So that doesn't happen very often, especially with these coins that come out of Pump Fun. This was a Pump Fun coin. So for those that you don't know what Pump Fun is a platform for launching tokens. And I'm just going to pause right now. Look at that. What just happened? If you guys have used this platform, you know what has happened on the chart. This orange dot that just showed up on the chart and that big red candle, it's because the developer of the coin sold. So a lot of times that is bullish. If the project is really good, if the coin is really good, and there's a lot of volume and there's a lot of hype around the coin, and then the developer sells in the beginning, well, sometimes that is considered bullish because now the developer can't dump a large sum of coins in the future. So he already dumped on most of the people, and you guys can see within like a minute, the market has already recovered to where he had originally placed his sell order. So he wiped out like half of the market cap from dumping his position, but as you guys can see, the people trading this bought it all up. So they completely bought up that position. I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm looking at some random trade. I didn't realize that. All right, so back to Snoofy. If you guys look on the top left-hand corner, you guys can see my position. I'm already up around 250%, and we have already made it above. We're already making higher highs, and now I took another buy position because the fact that the developer sold and we've already recovered and we're still pumping, that is a very... Also, the wedge pattern, triangle pattern, a lot of times is a bullish signal that the market is going to pump, and watch what happens in just a second. There we go. Nice pump out of that, breaking out of that triangle formation. So I saw that. I instantly knew that it was probably going to keep going higher. So I bought in a little bit more of my position. That marked up my average price to around 150K or something like that, my entry price. As you guys can see, there's my P&L so far. And within literally just a few minutes of this coin being launched, the coin is already... It already went from 100K market cap from where we were buying to over 600K now. So as you guys can see, I am using BullX and selling off some of my position as it keeps going higher. Just taking profits. This is what I like to do. I like to scale in and out of trades because you never know when the coin is just going to completely dump. In this case, I was a little bit more optimistic because the developer had already sold his bag, so it's most likely that there's not going to be as many holders of large sums of coins that can dump compared to the developer. So now that the developer is out, we can see people are really getting hyped up about the coin, and it's continuing to make higher highs. As you guys can see, we already hit around a 800K market cap. We're very close to a million market cap, so almost a 10x from where we got in. Now, I'm just basically trying to sit on my hands and let the price action play out. Selling a little bit of my position, I think 5 to 10% of the position as the coin makes new highs. Also, when I placed some of these buy orders, the BullX Trading Platform has a tool where you can basically input take profit and stop loss orders by default. So that's what you guys can see is happening right now. I have a take profit order right around 1 million. And I think I was also placing another take profit order of, what was it, 10 or 20% or 50%. Now, I believe the coin is going to retrace a little bit. We are back to right around $700,000 market cap. I just want to let you guys know this doesn't happen very often. This is quite rare to see a coin be launched, especially from Pump Fund, be launched and then immediately start gearing up to hit $1 million market cap. Like that doesn't happen very often. Maybe one out of every 500 coins or 1,000 coins that come onto this platform or come from Pump Fund actually make it to $1 million. It's probably less than that. It's probably less than 1%. And as you guys can see, there was a massive pump just a second there, and it pumped all the way to, what is that, 1.5 million, something like that. That might have been a MEV bot though. A MEV bot is where they just inject an order extremely fast into the market, and then a buy order, and then a sell order right behind it. So as you guys can see, the chart has, there we go. All right, so I was able to sell another small percentage of my position, right around $1 million market cap. We are already up over 369% on our trade, and even though this is in 2x speed, this is happening very fast. So within, I think, 15 minutes to 20 or 30 minutes or less, this coin went from 100K market cap to almost $1 million market cap. And you guys can see 2.3 Solana in profit already from an investment of less than 1 Solana. Once again, just taking profit as the coin makes new highs. And here you guys can see it is pumping once again. I have another take profit order. I think it says 3%. Yeah, like 3.3%. It'll take profit of 3.3% of my position once it hits right around 1.3 million. And actually, I just closed that take profit level. So there, as you guys can see, it would have hit that take profit level, but I believe I manually took profits. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm manually taking profits as I go, as the price pumps. That's what I suggest you guys. Every time price pumps to a new high, take some small profits out. Even if it's just 1% or 5% of your position, take small profits out. Try and recuperate your original investment, and then you have nothing to lose. So according to the upper left hand corner, you guys can see the positions that I'm in. Snoofy is up over, what is that, almost 500%. Currently at a 1.45 million market cap. Doing really good. And there we go. 4.6x so far. We're going to zoom out. And once again, you guys can see that triangle wedge pattern. And we just broke out of it right now. It pumped. Currently at 5.6x return. It pumped to right around $2 million market cap. And here I am putting another sell in for 15%. There we go. I just sold another 15% of my position so far. Also, make sure you guys stay until the end of the video because I'll be revealing some tools that I use to track insider wallets. The same tools that helped me find this coin or this trader, this insider trader that helped me basically find this extremely good trade. So as you guys can see, once again, taking some more profit off the top, just a little bit more. We are right around a $2 million market cap. Over 6x so far on our investment. And I believe this all happened in under an hour. So once again, taking a small 5% profit every time the market goes up a bit more, just taking a small profit. And now, as you guys can see, pay really close attention to what I'm doing now. I just put a stop loss in. So basically, I put a sell order at 1 million. So if price were to dip right now, if price were to just drop right now, I would sell 100% of my position at $1 million market cap. So if price were to dump right now to where that red line is, it would sell 100% of my position. That's one of the great things about BullX, is that you can place take profit levels and stop loss levels. And look at that. Within the last hour, we've had over $2.7 million in volume come through this coin. That is absolutely insane. Once again, taking around 5% profit from my position as the market goes up and makes new highs. Remember, guys, taking profits is one of the most important things you can do. You never know when the coin is going to turn around, and when that happens, you don't want to be stuck holding the bag, right? So always take profits as the coin goes up. Once again, taking another small amount of profit as it goes up. Over 600% gain so far on this trade. And we aren't even an hour into this trade. So this is one of the fastest moving trades that I've been in. As you guys can see, it's just continually making higher highs. So yeah, that's where we started, and let's see where we're at. We are at 6.2, 6.3x, almost 4 Solana, and we started with less than 1 Solana. I think we started with like 0.50 Solana or something like that, a half a Solana. So we turned a half a Solana into over 4 Solana so far. And yeah, we're just letting the market do its thing. Just letting it, letting the people figure out what they want. This is very, very fast-paced trading. So that's one of the things that I also like about trading these coins, is that it's very fast-paced. But with it being so fast-paced, that's one of the reasons why I take profit like I do. So I'm always very cautious as to make sure to protect my capital. That's one of the most important things in this overall environment, super fast-paced environment, is just protecting your capital. If you guys don't protect your capital, you'll be you won't have any capital left in a very short period of time. So one of the cool things about the BullX platform is that it automatically audits the coin. So in the top right hand corner, you guys can see there's an audit, and it actually has a little caution marker, but it says caution 7 out of 8. So it means that all the audits are good except one of them. So basically it means that the coin it's good to trade, but just to have caution because one of the audits didn't come out as good. So that might just mean that there's a large percentage of holders that are holding a large percentage of the coin, or it could mean different things depending on what the audit actually says. But as long as it has 7 out of 8, you should be good. Now, once again, pumping past the previous highs, making a new all-time high, 6.5x return in less than an hour on our investment. We got in at around 150K market cap, and an hour later, less than an hour later, we are at right around 2.3 mil. Overall, a really good trade, and this is all thanks to following and tracking those insider traders. Obviously, I could stay on the chart all day long and just look at new coins that are coming up every single day and try and filter out the good ones from the bad ones. But if you, and look at where the dev sold. He's probably crying right now. Like, he probably could have made a massive amount of money. But as you guys can see, he dumped in the beginning. He dumped before we even got to 1 million. So, yeah, as I was saying, the insider traders are the ones that you really want to follow because they're the ones that have large sums of money and they know what's going on from the inside. So, if you're not an insider and you're trying to trade these coins just by trying to filter out the good ones from the bad ones, well, there are tens of thousands of coins that launch like every day on Pump Fun, and you're going to have a really hard time trying to filter out the good ones from the bad ones. Now, if you have a insider trader that you're tracking, then you know that this person is most likely going to have a good track record. And I actually have multiple tools as well to track the insider trader's portfolio and see if they're profitable or not. So that's also what I do. I make sure, even though I saw, let's say, an insider trader made $100,000 on a coin, right? And all of this is transparent. You guys can look into the blockchain and see all of it. So if I see someone that made $100,000 on one coin, I'll look at his wallet, I'll track his wallet, I'll look at the P&L of his wallet, analyze it, and if it's a profitable wallet and it's not just some one-off $100,000 trade out of randomly out of nowhere, then you know that it's potentially an insider. This person is potentially on the inside of launches, potentially a developer, and so it's easier to trust when you do enough analysis of the trader's wallet and of these insider traders. So one of the tools that I use in my trading to analyze traders is Dex Screener. Dex Screener is it's kind of like the trading view for cryptocurrencies. It has trading view built in, obviously, but basically what it does is it lists all of the top traders that have traded that coin. And excuse me, BullX does this too. So that's why I love BullX. BullX is one of the best platforms. If you guys look on right below the chart, kind of in the middle, there's a positions button. Right to the left of that button, there is a top traders button. So if you were to click that, that shows up on all of the coins. So if you were to click that, you guys can see the traders that turned, I don't know, $100 into $5,000, for example. Or, you know, the best traders, the traders that had the biggest return will be in that top traders tab. So you guys can look into that tab and then kind of analyze these wallets. And I have multiple tools for analyzing these wallets, and I'll show you guys in the near future some of the tools that I use apart from just this top traders tab and the wallet P&L tracking. So we're just going to zoom out. Here we can see this is the 1 minute. So every single one of these candles right here is 1 minute. You guys can see we got in at the very beginning, taking profit along the way. And then that one I completely completely dumped. I thought that one might potentially pump a little bit because it was kind of in the narrative, right? We have a dog for Reddit, and so a Discord cat is kind of a similar narrative, but the person rug pulled the coin. So all right, so we kind of fast forwarded a little bit. The price dipped a little bit. We are still at right around $2 million market cap. Haven't sold for a little bit. We're just waiting for price to make another high. Now, I do regret selling so early. If I were to do this differently, I wouldn't have sold so early because I believe right now this coin is at a $20 million market cap. Right now, at this very moment. So I would have made 10x what I made just now. Probably much more than that. So note to self, don't take profits so early. And yeah, keep a moon bag. Always keep a moon bag, you guys. A moon bag is basically a small percentage of the position that you just hold. Either it goes to a massive amount, 20 million, or it goes to zero, right? That's normally what a moon bag is. So, and I believe here is where I sell my position. My entire position, just because it looked like the price was gonna start dipping a little bit more, and I was just done. I was basically done with the coin. So there we go. You guys can see, sold the position, sold off my position, 100%, and there we go, over 600% gain, you guys, in right around an hour of trading. Absolutely phenomenal trade. Here is the full view of the chart. And yeah, if you guys want to learn exactly how I did this, exactly how to track insider wallets, and how to the different tools that I use, because I use a lot more tools than just the top traders tab. I use tools that help me analyze the trader's wallet to see if the top trader is actually a good trader and profitable trader, and it's not just a one-off thing where he made $100,000 in a trade, but in the long run he's a really bad trader, right? You guys want to use these different tools to inspect the trader's wallet. So I'm going to be making a course. I will leave it below in the description. It'll be on our website. for everybody to be able to check out and enroll into. The course is going to be on exactly how to find insider wallets, how to track their wallets, how to be notified when they make trades like this one, and how to basically scan their portfolio or their wallet to make sure that they're actually a profitable trader. So if you guys want to check that course out, go to forexia.net. I will have the course linked in the description below. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. My name is Dylan, and that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.